Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, unlatch the stand to remove it. Unlatch and remove the base cover. Identify the system board shield and remove the 6 screws. Lift the shield out of the system, identify the I/O cover and remove the 2 screws to lift it out of the system. Find the solid-state drive and remove the screw. Lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2280, place it back in the system and tighten the screw to secure it. Place the I/O cover in the system and install the 2 screws. Secure the system board shield with the 6 screws. Relatch the base cover and the stand to the system. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.